love for another. Where did we go wrong? Baby, I don't know. Where did we go wrong?
Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a jewelry collection. I will be talking you through some of my favorite pieces. Growing up, I was never into accessories and jewelries, but recently I am totally obsessed, especially with necklaces. I never used to own even one necklace. Now I'm just like, yeah, it's a statement and it definitely just helps to elevate any outfit. My collection is still pretty much growing. I mainly have affordable pieces, but I definitely want to invest in raw gold, just because it will last me a lifetime, you know, and it's a great investment also. And if you're new here, my name is Edwige and I'm a lover of all things fabulous, honey. I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love that too, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. And if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is @EdwigeAlaMode. I share all fabulous things over there too. So let's get into today's video. And before we get into it, I want to thank LUISA for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to show you some of the beautiful pieces that I've selected. So my accessory has come in a box like this, and I love that LUISA are so conscious about their packaging, and this is also recyclable, which is great. And their jewelry is premium quality, sustainable and ethically sourced. So basically when you open up the box, it comes in like so, and it says smaller packaging, less waste, more love. Cute. And their jewelry actually comes in these beautiful velvet pouches, and I think I'm definitely going to be using these again. And the first bracelet that I chose is this beautiful dainty bracelet. It just looks like so, and I'm so obsessed with it, guys. It's so beautiful. I've been on a hunt for something like this for a long time. This looks very expensive and I'm so obsessed with it. It's definitely giving me Van Cleef, LV kind of vibes, and I really love it. It has little flowers like so. They're gold plated, which means that it's not going to change in color. In addition, all their jewelries are handcrafted and are made out of noble metals. This particular one is made out of brass. And the next thing that I picked up is this gorgeous, let me show you. So the first piece features a gold horn, just like that. I think it's so beautiful, so special, and perfect for layering because it's a statement piece, it's timeless and so chic. It can be worn with any outfit, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality, guys. It's so good. Like, I just cannot believe how good this looks. And one thing that I love about it is the fact that the horn is actually quite of a big, thick size. So I cannot wait to add on more smaller necklaces, and sometimes even chunkier necklaces will look really nice. And the next piece that it comes with is this zirconia necklace, just like that. I think it's so stunning, and it has LUISA written at the back. It has a little diamante there as well, which I think adds a really nice touch. I like that it comes as two separate necklaces. It makes it versatile and just very easy to layer with other things. I honestly think their pieces are a great value for money, and their prices range from $39 and upwards, which is UK £30, but there's definitely something for everybody. I really do love this. I think it looks so beautiful, so therefore I'm just going to keep it on for the rest of the video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. You can use my code Edwige10 for 10% off the entire website. I will have more details in the description box down below. And do you guys like my hair, by the way? I actually dyed this myself. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. I think this colour is great for autumn. I am ready. So let's have a look at my jewelry collection. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is where I keep all of my accessories, all of my jewelry. This particular compartment is from IKEA, and the whole system actually is from IKEA. And these storage compartments are add-ons, so you kind of add them on if you want to. And honestly, guys, I am so happy with it because I love the idea of having everything out in the open. It just really makes getting ready so much easier, and I can just come here and pick what I want, you know, and try it on and see how I feel. I'm gonna start over here because this is where I have all of my earrings. So the first earrings that I'm gonna show you, you guys have definitely seen this before. I showed you in a video. These are my Vivienne Westwood earrings and I love these. I bought these for my birthday and they are so beautiful. I love them. Adds a bit of sparkle to any outfit. It definitely helps to elevate an outfit and I just think it's really, really pretty. I love this, and yeah, it's another statement piece. I have a matching bracelet to it, which I just love. And another piece that I have in my wardrobe are these beautiful piece that I bought from Zara. I think I bought these last year. It just has like a really nice pearl inside. Again, it's another statement piece. This is so pretty. I love the way it looks. It definitely also brings life to any outfit. It's very evening, but the only thing I hate is the fact that, can you hear that? It makes so much noise. I also have these gorgeous earrings that I bought from Mango. These are really in trend right now. I'll just show you. They look like so, and I think it's so stunning and super lightweight and just goes with everything as well. And these are also another beautiful piece that I have. These were actually part of a collab with a company, I can't remember what they're called, but these were so nice. These are so evening. Oh, I like that. These are another pair that I love, and these are actually from Primark. I did a Christmas campaign with Primark last year, and as part of that campaign, this was an earring that I selected so that you can see what it looks like. And it looks like so. This is quite heavy, but again, it's another statement piece. I really love this because it looks very vintage and it's giving me like Pat Butcher sort of kind of look, you know? If you watch EastEnders, you know who I'm talking about. I have these beautiful earrings. These were actually my mom's earrings. It has a Bible and these are real gold. My mom loved these. If you're Congolese, you're definitely familiar with these earrings. I'm sure your mom or one of your aunties in your family or somebody has these earrings, and I just think they're so pretty. I've always loved them. And the funny thing is, I don't actually wear these often. I really need to start wearing them a lot. My mom absolutely loved them. She would wear it with her liputa, like her ankara. I think she even had a bracelet and a ring. She had a necklace to it also. And these are the next pair that I'm going to show you. These studs were purchased for me. These were a gift and I just think it's so beautiful. It's in a rose gold. This is probably the only rose gold item that I have in my collection. And these next ones were part of a collab, like so. I worked with Kay Maple and she kindly gifted me these beautiful earrings, and the next one are just simple plain studs that I bought from Argos, and these here are my absolute favorite earrings. These are raw gold, and all the raw gold pieces that I have here belonged to my mom. It's so stunning. It definitely elevates any outfit, guys. I promise you. Like in the summer, I was wearing this all the time, especially like with whites and your all blacks, and just yeah, it really does look beautiful. Even with dresses, it really stands out. They're so beautiful and they're super lightweight as well. That's another thing that I love about them. Next up, we have, I've got the pendant to the earrings that I showed you earlier, so I'll definitely want to put this in one of my chains. And another one that I have, another pendant that I have is this beautiful one, also belonged to my mom. There's a matching earring to it, but to be honest with you, I didn't see it, I didn't find it, so yeah, I definitely want to buy like another necklace to put this in. Next up, we have these beautiful earrings, also by Kay Maple. This was also kindly gifted to me. Please don't watch my nails, I need to get them done. And next up, we have these gorgeous, stunning earrings. You guys have definitely seen me wear these before. These are actually from AliExpress, but you can also purchase from Amazon, so I'll try and find the links for you. You definitely saw these in my first fragrance video. Next up, we have these gorgeous. These were also part of a collab on Instagram, and here we go. So this is another statement piece, and it's funny because, guys, I never used to wear earrings and necklaces and stuff because I was never into it at all. I was that kind of girl who had one pair of studs and that was enough for me. I was happy, I was content, it was done. The older I got, I started to realize that, hold on a minute, you actually need a nice pair of accessories accessories to really take your outfit to the next level. So guys, this is the only pair of silver items I have in my closet. I worked with Primark last year for Christmas, did a campaign with them, and I selected these gorgeous pair of earrings because they're just so classy, they're so dramatic, and they're just in your face. But as you can see, I don't really have much of silver as accessories because I'm not really into silver. But these were exceptional. Another pair that I have in my collection is these gorgeous earrings. Again, another statement piece that I think just looks wow in your face. It has diamantes and it has a really beautiful detailing right there. Again, this is another Pat Butcher sort of style of earrings. I've got a brooch here. I've got a Chanel brooch here. Okay, so this is from Chanel. I'm joking. So basically guys, this Chanel brooch isn't actually real. I bought this from either AliExpress or Amazon, and guys, when I tell you this is such good quality, I purchased this probably about 3 years ago. It just adds that statement to any outfit. It definitely also really helps to elevate an outfit also. And then over here I have these beautiful earrings that I purchased from TK Maxx. So these are like your evening. These are so elegant. I definitely want to buy the real thing one day. And then over here I have all my beautiful rings. Next piece that I'm going to show you is this absolutely stunning ring as well. This one also belonged to my mum. I just think it's so pretty, and it looks like so nice. This isn't raw gold or anything like that. This is part of the set, and so is this one. So this is what the other set looks like. I just think it's so cute. So perhaps I could do something like that, but this is a bit out of my comfort zone. It's just a bit too much. I have my beautiful Yves Saint Laurent ring. Just look at this, guys. I can't remember what these are called, but I remember a few years back these were like the earrings. These were so in trend, guys. Everybody had them. It's a statement ring, and I've had this for 4 to 5 years actually. How nice is this? Come on, like, how nice is this? It's such a statement ring. Bam, in your face. I feel like it's more of a summer color. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you like this? Do you think it's a summer color, or can I get away with wearing it in the winter, autumn, winter? And another piece that I'm going to show you, this piece is another stunning piece, also belonged to my mom. This one is raw gold. I'll just try it on for you. You guys have definitely seen me wear these before. I wear it all the time, and the thing is, it's just so trendy as well. It's really in style right now. But my mum had this for a very long time. Okay, so the next piece that I'm going to show you is this beautiful ring. This actually belonged to my mum. My mum was wearing this as her wedding ring because she lost her band. But this is so nice. These are from Mango. I bought these probably beginning of the year. Again, it's very trendy, very in style right now. And this one here is a ring that I purchased when I went to Congo with my sister. I bought this in one of the markets actually. I've had this for probably 6 years now. It's so nice. It's a really nice color. It's not raw gold or anything like that. Let me try it on for you. So this isn't raw gold or anything like that, but it's just so nice, and it looks amazing on. Next up we have this gorgeous little ring. This is actually raw gold. I've had this for a very long time also. Let me try it on for you. I've had this for a while. This is another accessory just to layer on top of other things. Lastly, we have this gorgeous ring. This is also real gold. This was a gift. Had this for a while. It's another stack to just layer on top of other rings. This usually just sits right there. So moving on now to my necklaces. Over here we have my Rolex. I'm only joking, guys. It's not Rolex. I wish, although it's my dream watch, but this isn't Rolex. This is Laura Ashley's actually. I purchased this from TK Maxx and it's really nice. I just like that it's very dainty, it's very easy, understated. This also belongs to my mum. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hardly wear it because I haven't actually found the right outfit for it, but it just looks like so. It's really, really nice. It's like it's got 3 chains all stuck together. Really, really nice. My mum had this for a very, very long time as well. And this is another layering piece. And oh, this is very similar to my Ana Luisa necklace. Again, this is great for summer layering. I could definitely wear this in the winter as well. But yeah, like it's just nice, easy, affordable, everyday jewelry. I have my chunky bracelet. This is from ASOS. I bought this a few years back, guys. I have not worn this in a very long time. Like, look at how chunky it is. It came as a matching set. I also had the choker to wear like a necklace to it. Like that. I don't know where I thought I was going with this, honestly, but yeah, I think I could definitely still wear this, but I just haven't found the occasion for it just yet. But it's definitely a nice piece. It's super lightweight, yeah, and I just think it's easy, but it definitely looks is trendy the right word? I think cool. I think it's quite cool, isn't it? You guys have definitely seen me wear these all the time. I wear this in all of my videos. This necklace is from TK Maxx. I've worn this to the beach, I've worn it to the pool, like I've worn this everywhere, guys. The color has not changed, and I think it's amazing because this necklace only cost me probably about £30, I think. But it's really, really nice, and I love that it just goes well with everything. And here I just have my bowl clips. This one is from Zara, and I think this one is from H&M. I also have my Yves Saint Laurent ring box for this box right there, and I have a few bracelets over here. And this bracelet is from Iconic London. You guys have definitely seen me wear these before. It's definitely my go-to. It just looks like so. It's giving me that Cartier effect, but for less. Again, I've taken this to the pool, to the beach, and it's still in good condition. I really want the Cartier bracelets, but I'm sorry, like right now it's not happening for me. So I bought these from Dubai, actually. When I went to Dubai, they were selling these all over the gaff. So I purchased these 2, and I tell you, they look amazing. They look so real. If anybody has real Cartier bracelets, please do tell me, do these look real or do they look fake? Again, I've had it for a year, and it says Cartier inside, and it has its own screw that you can unscrew it and put it back on together and put it back together. And also I bought these also there, and yeah, I think these look pretty good. I've had this bracelet for a good 6 years, guys. This I bought from the Michael Kors store, and I think it was around £90, like so. And it says Michael Kors right there. It's very, very good. As you can see, it's pretty much all scratched up because I've had it for a long time. But it's definitely a statement piece, and I tell you, I always get questions about this. So yes, this is from Michael Kors. It's a nice chunky statement bracelet, and I absolutely love it. Beautiful people, that was everything from me today. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and also let me know what's your favorite jewelry piece that you cannot live without. So don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You also have the 10% from Ana Luisa. Use my code Edwige10 to get some money off. And yeah, I absolutely love my pieces, and let me know if you like these as well. But this necklace is absolutely stunning. I'm so in love with it, honestly, like hence why I've kept it throughout the whole video. Guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.